start that guard going. And if you don't have anything out here, it makes it kind of tough. So if you can get somebody to anchor it, or if you can clamp it and not use a speed square and just follow your line, then you can peel your guard back and you can really follow that line. You can see it. It's really visible. Now, ideally, you'd think that cutting this side would be better, and in a lot of ways it is, because you have way more purchase than just this much. You have way more purchase here. It's just that I can't hold that thing with my right hand and do it with my left hand because I'm right-handed. So I could have done it like this and followed it just like that and had more purchase. And had I been using my head, I probably would have done that. I would have cut so that I had way more purchase on the bottom of the saw, this much purchase on the wood rather than just that much purchase. And that's probably why I was getting a little bit of drift on my 90-degree cut. But we're good. Isn't that great? I love that. Except these horses might fall over. Okay, so we now have 2 at 15. Did you bring the hammers, Lou?
Yeah. You need one?
Yeah, we're gonna need, well, I need my drill motor. And what about the screws? Did they bring those 3.5-inch screws?
Oh yeah, I've got the stash back here.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, get a couple of hammers. Let's get Lou to get some screws. And let's go ahead and make this. All right, grab the end, somebody.
Sorry,
That's okay. I don't want my cameraman doing anything but manning the camera. Let's go this way. Right here. Manning the camera.
Box of goodies for you.
Oh, good. Box of goodies.
It's like it's Christmas.
Woohoo! Okay, so let's see how we want to crown these. All right, we'll put this to the out because we should be able to get it to go straight, no sweat pushing in, right? So that'll be our outside there. This one this way, only the crown, I want the crown up, so we'll put this one like this.
Two and a quarters or threes?
Threes. Okay. Switch that one to there, and this one to here. Now that should put me with my crown up on both of them and push to the inside. Okay, good. Okay, screws.
You mean nails?
No, no nails. We're gonna nail the stakes. We're not gonna nail the flume.
Metal screws.
What's that?
Oh, here they are. 3.5.
Yeah, 3.5-inch deck screws.
General purpose.
Metal screws. There's metal screws in it? No, those are duplex nails. Those
For
aren't.
the roof.
No. Oh, I see. But those are the duplex nails.
Yeah. They gave you metal screws too.
Okay, we're gonna screw these babies together. Now with these, tell me they're not square drive. Tell me they're Torx drive. Okay, you know what?
Do you need a Torx bit?
I have a Torx bit.
Okay.
I have a Torx bit. All right, so let's show everybody what a Torx drive screw is. So you know what a slot head is, right? Just slot with a regular screwdriver. You know what a Phillips head is. Everybody knows what those are. Torx or star head looks like that. It grabs it in in 6 places. Got 6 little corners. So it's a pretty positive grab. You see a lot of these in automotive. A lot on automotive. So let's find, and usually there is a bit
In the thing.
in here, but I don't see it, so I got Torx. Hand me that that drill driver, would you, please? Oh crap. Oh, here we go, here we go.
You have a screw so you can check.
Did it unplug?
Yeah, I can
You see where it goes?
Yeah.
In that little U-shaped thing? No, it goes over here. Here, hold that. Goes in upside down, right there. Okay, good?
Yep.
And is it working?
Yeah.
And we're recording, okay.
This shot's a little close, so I don't know if I'll be able to get like your head and the.
Oh, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up the whole thing and move back. Somebody tend for Tyler, would you? Tend that cord. Okay, it's not that one. It's that one. Thanks. Okay. And grab that box of screws for me. Thanks. Thanks. Okay, we're going to screw our forms together right here. That's right. Perfect. Just hold that baby just like that. And we'll go ahead and tack one right in the middle. These are self-tapping. You don't have to pilot these screws. They will drive themselves. They're meant to drive themselves. Okay, you ready? Hold that up for me.
I was gonna ask, why don't you make pilot holes to reduce cracking or splitting?
Yeah, but for stuff like this, we're gonna be fine. Are we gonna make it there? We went a little long, but that's okay. We're gonna be fine. What happened?
Didn't go nowhere.
Yeah, it's good. Gonna do one more. Now we'll just do 2 on the others.
Yeah.
That one is kind of ridiculous, really. Let's be into a knot. Yeah, into a knot. Okay, so you hear that? Anybody know what that is? You know what that is? You know what that is? That's the clutch. I got it set on 11. It go all the way to 13, which is more and more juice before it does that, before the clutch engages. So that way you don't start reaming your screw head. So in this case, I'm going to take it all the way to drill, because I want to be able to drive these all the way in. Okay.
How do you know which to select?
By feel. You know, you pretty much, like in hardware, I'll start with 9. And if it doesn't get me all the way in, I'll do it till it drives it till the head's flush, and then the clutch engages. And it's especially important where the screws show, like in hinges and things like that, and hardware, where you don't want to overdrive a screw and mess the screw head up. Oh yeah, pick that baby up. As a matter of fact, these guys, why don't you run, just lay them this way. Get them out of our way. Yeah, good one. Good thinking. And we're butting in, right?
Yeah.
We're 15 on the inside. Who wants to come in here and drive one of these babies?
You want a little higher? Or?
Yeah, get it up there so it's just exactly flush.
I'd drive one, but I'm manning the camera.
It's okay. We're there now. We're gonna be fine. Yeah, come on. There you go, and I'll let you put that on there. And there it is. And get yourself right there and go about where I am, up from the bottom, and then just try to make sure you go straight in. Yeah, it looks good, Tyler. Good one. Okay, good one. Okay, Tyler, you're back on. All right, let's come on down here and let's get somebody else to drive. I'll get it started. And I forgot to crown that, but I think these are pretty straight. I think we're going to be fine with those.
The 6.110. Yeah, they're pretty straight.
Yeah, pretty darn straight. Get onto this one first. And so you see, Flavio's got that 2x4 block under there for me, which is a really good way to go. Otherwise, they're kind of floating in the air because we have an uneven ground. So it's a really good way to go. Good thing to do. It really helped me out. I wasn't using my head. Can't think of everything. That's why you have Flavios and all y'all around. You got it good, Flavio?
Yeah, right there.
He's a rat terrier.
I like it. Okay, who wants to drive? Who wants to drive this car? Come on, Dave. Get down there and do about the same distance up from the bottom. God, I hope this is right. I'm only kidding. But it's not a bad idea at any point in the operation to check yourself, right? Check yourself. Check the inside of this guy. 6'6". Isn't that what it's supposed to be? Yeah, we got kind of a nasty little edge here. That's too bad. That'll show on the edge of our slab, but we'll put that to the back. Bondo? Butt me in right there. And I'll be right there. You butt it in? No, butt in. Butt me in. Butt me to the inside. 15 feet, perfect. Okay. Now,
You want to try one?
I'll start it and then Claire can drive another one.
The way it's at right there.
Yeah, it looks good. Come on down there. Grab a screw, put it in. Flavio will hold it for you. Yeah, go ahead, hit that trigger all the way.
Push a little.
And push. Yeah, you gotta be pushing on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, now just,
Hold it straight.
there you go.
Like that.
There you go.
Yeah, push that baby. Way to go, Claire.
You're right there.
Good job, good job.
Nice.
Okay, so we are now screwed together in our form. Let's, so what's the next thing we're gonna do? Nope. The next thing we're gonna do is, we won't need these anymore for now. Come on, who knows the next thing we're gonna do? We're gonna square this up. We're gonna need one more, it's a tape measure. Who's got another one? You got one? Okay, good.
16, I don't know.
Yeah, 16 probably won't make it on the diagonal here. We'll get a 25. Here we go. Here we go.
Another one?
Yeah, there's another. Why don't you go ahead and take me on, hook me on the corner. And Lou, would you grab 4 of the those stakes and drop them at the 4 corners? The wooden stakes. Okay, you on the corner, right in the middle, in the corner?
In the center.
Yeah, right in the middle in the center. I'm reading the back side of my tape. I got 211 16ths. Yeah, and let's use my tape just for the hell of it. Let's just try it. Just see where it is, just for starters. 211 16ths, right in the middle. Okay, and I got, so it's well out of square, and I think it's got to go this way. So what I need to do is just make sure that corner doesn't move. Yeah, stand on it. Make sure it doesn't move, and put your foot right in the middle of that, right on the, yeah, on the, next to it. So